Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast milk. Start by whisking 1 cup of milk with 2 large eggs and a tablespoon of sugar until smooth. Add a teaspoon of vanilla and a pinch of salt. Heat a skillet to medium and soak bread about 20 seconds per side. Cook until golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Serve warm with syrup or fruit for extra flavor. Choosing the right milk changes texture and flavor in predictable ways. Whole milk yields creamier custard and better browning, while plant milks like almond or oat add nutty or sweet notes. If you want extra richness, mix half milk and half cream, but expect more calories. For a lighter version, pick low-fat milk and reduce sugar slightly. Taste the batter before cooking to adjust sweetness and spice. Small tweaks make a big difference in texture and taste. A pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg brightens the custard without overpowering it, and stale bread absorbs the milk mixture better than fresh slices. Letting the batter rest 5 minutes helps hydrate bread evenly so interiors are tender and centers are not soggy. Cook on medium heat to allow the center to set while the outside turns golden and slightly crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.